are back right here no later than 3. I'm gonna check just to make sure, but I think it's 3 o'clock because I think slack tide's at like 3:30. I know, I'm on the phone. But we got plenty of time. We brought sandwiches. We're gonna make a day of it. No?
11 o'clock.
Okay. That still gives us a whole lot more time than we usually have. We're always in a hurry, and that's where we mess up and get stressed out. We got the jib ready to go. I know, it feels so good outside. A nice breeze, and the winds are not going to be terrible, like right around, I think, 10 knots, which is perfect. Temperature's supposed to be in the 80s, but doesn't feel like it right now. I'm not complaining. It's awesome. And Furball over here, I'm renaming her Velcro because she's always Velcroed to me. So off we go. Ticks me off when these boats go by so fast. I don't understand why they can't go around a little bit farther away or just slow down for like a fraction of a second. I think if I was in a speedboat, I would do that. Here comes another one, 100 miles an hour.
The wind is coming from that direction right there.
Here we go again. Forgot the name of the sound. I keep wanting to say Puget Sound. That's the other side of the country. Watch your head. Port Royal Sound. We're in the middle of the Port Royal Sound, and Donovan's going up to put sails up. The wind is coming from that direction, so I'm going to point the boat that way in just a second so that he can put it directing to the wind so he can put the sails up.
Blue is for the main, is that correct?
We need to put a tag on this.
It is. I know it is. So if you don't mind, release the blue.
We keep forgetting to put tags on our lines, on our halyards, so that we know which one's the main and which one's the jib. I mean, we should know by now. We've had this boat since last June. But I can't remember what I did yesterday, let alone. Tell me when you're ready and I'll point to the wind. Oh, bitch, I'm gonna have to stand up on the... How are you gonna reach it all the way over there? Biminis are great till you're trying to reach stuff to get your mainsail up. Do I need to let go of one of these? The topping lift?
Before we pull it up, I'm going to come back here. We need to wrap that around. Okay.
Okay, no, I don't understand what you just said. Let's start over. We need to wrap what?
You need to wrap that wire around it. Yeah, take it upside down and you need to untangle it.
The yellow one.
The yellow one. Yeah, something when you come back there.
Okay. He needs to unwrap a yellow line that we have on the, it's hooked onto the back of the boom, and it's wound up like that up the back stay. And I can't reach it. So, patience is a real virtue. Really? I just pressed record. So it doesn't, so these lines don't whack me in the head. The keel's already down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Off we go. Try this again. Putting it into the wind. Almost. What was that noise? Oh, because the rudder's totally bent back up again. Not quite, but I have to go slower because otherwise the rudder's going to touch the propeller. All right.
Hey, I'm gonna fix this real quick.
All right, that's fine. He's gonna fix something, so I just need to stay to the wind, which is not as easy as it should be. So when we were at the slip, the rudder was kind of sticking up. So he pushed it all the way down. And now what, an hour later after motoring, it's sticking back up again. Such that when I turn the tiller, it runs into the blade, into the propeller. So I'm not really sure why we can't get it to stay down. He probably knows. And maybe he just forgot to do whatever it is we need to do. But he says that's as tight as it'll go. He's pulling it, trying to stretch out as much as possible. That's fine. It's just being very floppy because I'm straight into the wind. I didn't quite hear what he said. Something about going to do something. I'm assuming he's... What? Yeah? He was asking if I was still in the wind. And jib up now.
Get off on the red over here. Get off on the red.
I'm trying to get all the knots out of this thing.
You ready?
No. This thing's gonna pull you as soon as you get it out. I don't know how long this is.
Here. Let me do this. All right, you ready?
Ready?
It works.
I think the downhaul is stuck. You're stretching it out. You need to loosen it somewhere.
See if it works. I'm pulling on it. Well, because I just tightened it up like a dumbass.
Well, I loosened it for a reason. Why'd you put it back together again? Did you take the knot out of that rope? That's holding the
This
sail.
right here keeps holding up.
Did you take the knot out of the rope though?
This thing. And good?
Trying to get back into the wind.
Is it?
Yeah, tighten it up. I'm turning the motor off.
No, leave it on right now.
Why? Whoa, we're turning. Please hurry because we gotta turn the motor off because if I turn the rudder anymore, it's gonna run into the propeller.
Okay.
I'm trying to turn into the wind, but it's not. The wind's too strong.
Okay. The rudder's down, baby.
It's not down.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Well, when you turn this, it runs into the propeller.
We're gonna turn it off. Here. Here. Watch what we're doing, okay?
I know exactly what we're doing. You already taught me how to turn off the motor. But we still need to use the...
Got it? You try.